Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Explorers and Everyday Heroes. Then buckle up, because we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Land Rover Discovery, the vehicle that redefines what an SUV can be. Forget clunky behemoths. The new Discovery's silhouette is sleek and refined, sculpted for both aerodynamics and off-road prowess. That signature Land Rover grille stands proud, flanked by intelligent LED headlights that pierce the darkness. And those wheels? Pure confidence, whether you're carving mountain passes or navigating city cobblestones. Interior: step inside and prepare to be wowed. Premium materials abound, from supple leathers to brushed metal accents. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, while the Pivi Pro infotainment system takes center stage with its intuitive touchscreen and crystal-clear graphics. It's like your own command center, letting you control everything from climate to navigation with ease. But the Discovery isn't just about looking good, it's about going anywhere, anytime. Choose from a range of powerful engines, all paired with Land Rover's legendary Terrain Response 2 system. This bad boy adapts to any surface, conquering sand dunes, mud pits, and everything in between. And with its height-adjustable air suspension, you'll always have the perfect vantage point, whether you're spotting wildlife or navigating. The 2024 Discovery is packed with smart tech that makes your adventures effortless. A 360-degree camera system gives you eyes all around, while ClearSight ground view lets you see what's hidden beneath the front of the vehicle. Adaptive cruise control takes the stress out of highway driving, and driver fatigue detection keeps you sharp. This isn't just a car, it's your partner in exploration. With seating for up to 7 and a cavernous cargo space, the Discovery is built for family adventures. Fold down the seats and transform it into a mobile camping haven. Load up the surfboards and hit the coast. Take a weekend trip to that remote cabin you've always dreamed of. The possibilities are endless. So, if you're ready to unleash your world, if you're ready for adventures that defy definition, then the 2024 Land Rover Discovery is calling your name. Visit your local Land Rover dealer today and test drive your freedom. Subscribe for more adventure inspiration. Hit that like button and share your own Discovery stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.